So if you bought an aftermarket carburetor for your Briggs & Stratton engine, there is a quick fix if it's not working right, and I'll show you that right now. So basically what you do is you set it right there, and you take the biggest sledgehammer you can find. This one's a 10-pound sledge, and this is the best way to fix them. But sometimes that doesn't work, so you have to take another good swing at it. And once you do that, you go ahead and order yourself a Briggs & Stratton manufactured carburetor and put it on instead of this one. This concludes your lesson for the day on how to fix a aftermarket Briggs & Stratton carburetor. Have a nice day, folks.